There's a whole fleet of them.
This morning, a report that the government cannot explain those mysterious objects caught on video by the military. From an upside-down pyramid-like object hovering above a Navy destroyer to cylindrical spheres disappearing into the ocean.
Splashed. Mark bearing and range.
To video allegedly showing one of the U.S. Navy's stealth ships tracking an unidentified object in the sky.
Oh, actually 38 knots. Fast.
Now, ahead of the release of a declassified Pentagon report, the New York Times says these papers do little to clarify what the videos show. The New York Times reporting that intelligence officials are worried the videos show America's adversaries may be racing ahead of the U.S. in developing elite weapons technology. Senior officials expressing concern to the paper about China or Russia possibly experimenting with hypersonic technology, aircraft and missiles that can reach speeds as high as 4,000 miles per hour. According to the Times, the report, scheduled to be released by June 25th, clarifies that most of the more than 120 incidents over the past 2 decades are not from the U.S. military or other advanced U.S. government technology.
Whoa, it's getting close.
The Times also reports the Pentagon has found no evidence that the phenomena are aliens. And although the Pentagon has confirmed the validity of the videos, they still cannot explain what their cameras and sensors have been picking up. The Pentagon declined NBC News' request for comment. Jeremy Corbell is the man who released many of these leaked videos.
There's a lot of pressure by the global public and the American public, for answers.
And it's not just the public asking questions. Former intelligence officers and even presidents have been talking about this for weeks. Now, lawmakers on intelligence committees are demanding answers.
There's enough obvious evidence here that we need to take this seriously, not downplay it.
Yeah, one of the big concerns, obviously, from intelligence officials is that possibly Russia or China may somehow be involved developing elite weapons. So how did they figure that out? How did they base those concerns?
Well, according to the New York Times, Hoda, both China and Russia have been investing heavily in this hypersonic technology, which would potentially give them the ability to evade U.S. missiles. And China has even displayed some of this technology in military parades. If they get that kind of edge, it would be a significant concern for the U.S. military.